Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Nia Jinsu, and today I'm going to be giving you guys my detailed soft glam makeup. Okay, so the first step obviously is I gotta pin my hair back. I have tape-ins right now, you guys. Tape-ins are really fire. Like, this is my first time getting it. I do not have a wig on. Because someone in one of my other videos asked me if I had a wig on. I'm like, no sis. Anyways, so the first step in my routine is of course primer. I am going to be using my Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer. I'm only going to put a little bit of this on because it is like really like glittery and I don't want to look oily, so I'm just going to put like a little bit. I'm only going to take like this much. I think this primer serves as a nice base. I definitely want to look a little bit glowy today, so that's why I'm using this primer as opposed to my Hydro Grip. So I was like, let me just switch it up a bit. Let me change up some things. So, alright, so primer is on. I am going to start with my brows. So I'm using something different, guys. I'm not using my Benefit Precise in my brow. I am using actually Mented Brow Down from my brows. So I'm just gonna be filling in my brows like so. I mean, this eyebrow pencil does fill in very nicely. So my brows are filled in. Now I'm going to conceal underneath them. I am going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And you guys know I like to just conceal underneath my brows. I don't do the top and the bottom anymore. I feel like with just like makeup just changes over the years, you know, like it's crazy how like we used to do things a certain way and now like makeup is just like more of like a natural kind of look. Now everyone wants to give like a natural like soft beat kind of vibe. The Instagram brows era is gone, but it was nice while it lasted. So I'm just lightly concealing underneath my brow just to make it a little bit more sharp. I'm going to just blend this out using the same brush. Now to add some color back to my face, because as you can see, like my face is super light, but my body is like darker than my face. So we need to add some pigment back in there. MAC StudioFix foundation. And I really like this foundation. It's definitely like a go-to besides my NARS. So I just take like a little bit. Okay, it's not really a little bit, but whatever. And I'm going in with my beauty blender and we're just gonna apply this. Is this blackfishing? Don't be coming for me in the comments, y'all. So now to highlight, I'm going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealers, but I'm using two, a lighter shade and a darker shade. So the first shade that I like to go in with is Caramel, that's the darker one. And I just put it like underneath my eyes, like so. And we're gonna do a chin highlight today. Now taking the lighter one, I'm just gonna put it on top. I don't know, I just love like how this looks. I love a bright under eye. Yeah, like I just like, I literally like love a bright under eye. Going in with my same beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend this out. And to blend it out even more, I'm going with my Sephora Pro Foundation brush. I just love how bright, like I'm obsessed with it. The contour, I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand. And I definitely want to give sculpted, so I just take a little bit because a little bit goes a long way. And I'll just put it like underneath my, oh wait, hold on. Let me blend this out some more. And I just put it like underneath my natural cheekbone. Yeah, my natural cheekbone. Definitely gonna hit the jawline as well. Like I said, I want to give sculpted, so I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it like on my forehead. And we are gonna blend this out using a Real Techniques brush. This is the 206. And it's just super easy to blend out. I have a whole bunch of contour wands that I don't even touch anymore because of this. I finally got the right color. I had medium dark and it was like too dark for me. Now it's time for eyeshadow, so I'm gonna take the same concealer that I used, the NARS one, and just put it like on my eyelid so I have like the perfect base so my eyeshadow can like really show through. So I just put like a little bit. You don't need like a lot. Blend that out. And before I do my eyeshadow, I like to bake first. So I'm using my Laura Mercier to bake. And I go in with the same beauty blender. This beauty blender has been through hell. So I'm gonna take some of the powder and I'm just gonna place it under my eyes where I basically just put that concealer. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my Morphe 350 palette. And I just love the colors that are just in this. I love nudes, so of course I had to get this. I'm obsessed with nudes. So I think for this look, I'm going to be going in with this brown here. And I like it because it's not too dark and it's not too light either. And putting that concealer on your lid really like just makes the color pop. And I'm going to be taking another eyeshadow brush and just blending this out a bit more. To prep my eyes for my false lashes, I'm going to be using this mascara from ILIA. And I'm just going to put it on my lashes. These lashes are so pretty, like I can't. And for my waterline, I'm going to be using my Makeup by Mario eyeliner pencil. And I'm gonna take my NYX liquid eyeliner and just like line a bit of, like sort of like line my eyes out a bit. Basically just put like a black line there. I need to go over my contour that I did. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty, I think this is called the Cheek Hugging Brush, with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzing powder. And I'm just gonna take a little bit because this brush is like pretty big. I don't know why I bought this, like it's so big, but whatever. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Killawatt. I am using the HUSTLA baby side, so this side. And I'm just gonna put it like on my cheeks, just to give me like a nice little glow. I like to just sweep it like so. I feel like highlighter is gonna make a comeback. I feel like in 2016 highlighter was like the big thing, and now it's blush, but I think highlighter is like slowly making its way back. I low-key think so. Now for blush, I'm using my Dior Backstage blush. Love this blush. I'm obsessed with it. I see why everyone was like going crazy over it. It's so bomb. I just love this blush. Like, I think it's so pretty, and I use a lot of it because I love it. As you can see, and it's just so pretty. Like, my new favorite blush for sure. Now, last step is lips. I'm gonna do like a nudish pink lip combo for this look, so going in with my MAC Chestnut lip liner. MAC Chestnut, holy grail. I hope they never discontinue it, because you know how MAC likes to discontinue the good stuff. I just hope that they don't discontinue it. I will be like so disappointed. So I'm just gonna overline my lips. And I love to just blend it out of it. And I'm going to be mixing these two MAC lipsticks. So the first one is Nothing to Wear, the cream sheen lipstick. Looks like this. And it's like the perfect nude. I love how smooth it goes on. So that was the first one. Now for the second lipstick, this is Babe Town Cream Sheen Edition. And I'm just gonna top it off with this. To top it all off, using lip gloss, my Buxom Lip Plumping Gloss. This is the color Lavender Cosmo. I love this. So we are done. I'm not using setting spray for this look. Could take these out now. Let me just fix my hair real quick. Is it giving? Let me know what you guys think. So yes, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this soft glam makeup. I am loving the natural looking lashes. I just love how bronze and sculpted I look. I'm obsessed with this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.